I don't think we should use a classroom. We really need to stop bumping into each other like this.
You guys hear something?
Nope.
I said, we have to stop.
There it is again. So annoying.
Why are you acting like this? I thought we were friends.
Yeah, and then you decided to come back here just so you could beat me in the Battle of the Bands. I want this, Twilight, and you're trying to take it from me. Some friend.
That's not why.
Come on, Twilight. We've got things to do.
You really think you're gonna help them? I bet you have no idea what you're even doing.